Okay, so we've worked with the custom tool. Now I actually want to bring it into a script and work with it. So what I'll do is I'll create a live group, Control L, and I'm just going to plug it in here. And then instead of publishing this time, I want to use the file browser. I'm going to point to the tool. It's asking me that there are local changes on the live group. Do I want to discard them? So essentially, yes, I want to take all the contents of this live group and replace them with the one I'm pointing to on disk. You know, in this case, it's empty, so it's not a big deal, but it gives you that warning just in case. So I'll say yes. And now I have that tool. So I can see here, there is the grade tab that I have all the exposed knobs that I can begin to work with. But let's take a look at something else inside of here. So I'm just going to hone in on this area and pull out a bit. So we talked a bit about earlier is that if this tool gets developed and there's newer versions of it, then we can quickly load that up through the live group rather than exporting the gizmo again and having it done that way. So what this means is that if I'm an artist, I'm aware now that there is a newer version of this tool. What I can do is select my live group node, hit Alt up arrow, and now I have version 2 of it, and we can see those nodes that have changed inside of there. So this is quite nice because I can be thumbing, going up and down between the different versions to get the latest ones. So depending on how this is done, maybe it's overwritten or maybe we're doing it in V versions, we'll be able to have access to it just like that throughout the live group.